everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to display files and folders in a directory. So we'll just create the first program, which is going to be a function. I'm going to call it list files. Right, we create a variable called dir list and we assign it to input, and we ask the user to enter a path. So enter path, right. Now we're going to use the os.chddir. So we're going to change it to that directory list that we've just entered. So make sure you import OS on here as well. So we're changing into that directory. Then we print a message to the user. Print printing list. And we're going to do a little pause, time.sleep. So for this, I'm going to pause it for 1 second. For this, you need to import the time module here. Okay, then we create a variable called list dir, and we assign it to os.list dir, which is here, list directory, and then we pass it an argument, which is going to be the dir list. So it's going to list whatever's in that directory list, and then all we do is we print it out. Print, say, list dir, list directory, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in the name of the function again, list files. So once it's done that, we'll go up and give you the option to do it to another directory. Then all we have to do is list files here and save it. So let's have a look at this. Let's run it. Okay, make that a little bit bigger. So I want the desktop path, so C users mark desktop, hit enter, printing out the list. That's the list, and we can do another list if we want. So I want C : / users mark, say documents. Hit enter, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that short program, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.